In this video, you will learn how to increase the maximum upload file size in WordPress. And the best part, that's not all. You will also learn how to increase PHP execution time, memory limit, and other important server limits without any coding or technical hassle. So, if you are facing upload errors or timeout issues in WordPress, this video will solve it step by step. Let's get started. Currently, you see under this site health section and this info tab, these are the actual limits, like PHP time limit is 300 second, PHP memory limit 512 megabyte, and etc. etc. So to increase these limits, we have to install a WordPress plugin named Max Limits. Go to Add Plugin and search Max Limits. You will find this plugin, install and activate it. Allow and continue. Then go to Settings. At the right side, you will also find the current server statuses. So let's change the upload max size. Currently, this is 2056 megabyte and I will improve it to 1 gigabyte. Scroll down and save changes. If you still see no update, then scroll down and enable the advanced configuration. Here it says use this if the default method doesn't work. So save changes. See, it's just updated. By the same method, let me update other options too. See, every server status is now updated. For a cross check, let's go to Site Health. Then go to Info. And under this server section, see, all the limits is now increased. Even if you go to the Add Media file, you'll find maximum upload file size is now 1 gigabyte. So, this is the video on how to increase maximum file upload size limit in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.